Hi, fifth graders. This is Mr. O. Hope you're doing well. Today's lesson, we are going to be collecting data and learning from it. So, before we get into anything, I need blue and red teams to get out your planner and pause the video here. You're going to copy down all of the assignments for Friday, April 17th, as well as Tuesday, April 28th. Go ahead and pause the video and write those things down. If you're on the purple and green teams, I'm going to ask you to pause the video, get out your planner, and write the following things down for Tuesday, April 21st, as well as Thursday, April 30th. Now that you've done that, let's get into today's class. Remember, our final few classes, we are going to be creating our own business. You're going to create and pitch a software app, and you're going to try to, by the end, collect the most bucks. Now, that being said, last week we learned about big data and how big data is just a ton of data collected, which then allows us to study and identify patterns, create products as a result, or design other innovations. So some examples that we talked about are how Netflix looks at the big data of all of its users and which then allows it to decide which kind of shows you might like as a result of watching a particular show, or how Coke or Pepsi or Sprite, I can't remember which one, created a new product because they saw that people were selecting certain things at their beverage dispensers. Today, you're going to learn about artificial intelligence, and you're going to complete everyone's survey as well. The next class, you're going to look at the surveys and finalize your business proposal. By the fourth class, you'll develop your website, and by the fifth class, you'll watch everyone's pitch video and vote. Okay, so today, we're going to complete everyone's survey and learn about artificial intelligence. So here's what I need you to do. You're going to take the surveys now. I'll show you how to do it really quickly. If you go to Romanet, and if you were on step number 3, complete everyone else's survey here. So you'll open it up, and it'll open up to a link of docs. And so what you can do is you're just going to go through and do everyone's survey once. Okay, so you'll just click on their link, and I can go ahead and open it. And then I can just look at their survey and answer their question. Kavina, there's yours. And now once you're done with that, you can move on to the next one, right? So you're going to move on to the next one and just go through all the surveys. So I'm going to ask you to pause this video, finish all the surveys, and come back to it. Now that you're back from the videos, let's talk a little bit about artificial intelligence. The reason why I put artificial intelligence now is because artificial intelligence only is possible when you have big data. And you're going to see that more and more. You need a lot of data in order for artificial intelligence, or AI, to work. Basically, artificial intelligence is getting computers to do things that people are able to do. So, for example, humans can speak and understand. The AI term is speech recognition, and AI is everywhere. You see that with Siri, Cortana, Alexa, or Google Home. So let's look at another thing. Humans can write and read. The AI term for that is natural language processing. So you'll see that we have chatbots or Gmail autocomplete. When you type a email in Gmail, it starts auto-completing your sentences because of AI. Humans can move around. The AI term for that is robotics. So you have Lego robotics or Roomba. That's things that you see in real life. Humans can see things. The AI term is computer vision. So you have self-driving cars as an example. And last but not least, humans can think and learn, and that term is called machine learning, which is what you're going to really focus in on today. So some parts of Siri have machine learning. Watson, IBM Watson, allows computers to learn how to play chess or other games, and then go from there. What you're going to do at this point is you're going to complete steps 4, 5, and 6 from Romanet. Keep watching the video. Let's just go back to Romanet, and it says step 4, complete the code.org AI for Oceans course. So you can either click on this, don't click on this link, go to your class page and click on the code.org sign in link right there. And then it's going to take you to like the page that you're used to in code.org. What you're going to do is click up at the top where it says course catalog. And then once you get to course catalog, you're going to slide down and you're going to do AI for Oceans. So AI for Oceans, you're going to try it now, is going to teach you about artificial intelligence. So there's a few videos that I want you to watch. Okay. I'm going to skip this video for now, but I don't want you to skip it. What it's going to ask you to do is explained on each step. And so it says in this activity, you will program or train AI to identify fish or trash. Click anywhere on the screen to continue. So if you ever get stopped, click on the screen and then it'll go on. So let's meet AI. Okay, so now I will train my artificial intelligence. Look up in the top right corner. Now I have 2 data points. You see right next to that garbage can thing. And now if I say that's not a fish, I'm training this machine to understand what a fish is and what's not. Now, you'll go through and try to put in, like 30, 40 data points, and then you'll click continue, and then you'll move on from there, okay? I'm not going to go through the rest of the lesson, but I just wanted to highlight that for you. Now, again, let's go back here. Once you're done with code.org's AI for Oceans course, you're going to try Google Quick Draw, and it says you only have to finish 1 set of drawings. So this is just an example. You'll click on Let's Draw. And Google Quick Draw is an example of AI where you provided enough information that it can guess what these different objects are. Oh, I need to draw a mug. Okay, I drew it. A bear in 20 seconds. Oh boy. Don't laugh at my picture. It's not recognizing that it's a bear. It's saying that it's not. But anyways, you'll see that as you go through, you can sketch things, and because it has learned, it can identify what those things are, okay? So that's what you'll do. Finally, step 6, you're going to post a reflection to our class Flipgrid. If you want to use Flipgrid in Safari, you'll just click on that link here, okay? And then you'll log in with Google and put in your login credentials, okay? Otherwise, what you can do is to use Flipgrid on the app, there's the Flipgrid code. I can just copy that. And then if I use Flipgrid on my app, because all of you have it, you can enter the Flipgrid code there and then join into our class, right? So now here's what I'm asking you to do. Respond to, oops, that should say 4 prompts. Your favorite part of class today, something you learned about AI, something you think is cool about AI, and what you think is a negative aspect of AI. So you can see my example video there as a sample. Those are the things that you have to get done. I am available in the Meet for any help. Enjoy.